Top 9 Refrigerator Organization Tips. This may seem like an obvious one, but it's important to regularly clean your fridge. Wipe down the shelves and door handles with a mild soap and water solution. If you have spills, make sure to clean them up as soon as possible. Use storage containers. Storage containers can be a lifesaver when it comes to refrigerator organization. They help to keep everything tidy and in its place. Plus, they make it easy to see what you have and what you need. Label everything. This will help you to know what's in each container, and it will also help to keep your fridge organized. Group items together. Organize your fridge by grouping similar items together. Binder clips are a no-brainer when it comes to keeping food organized on your refrigerator's slotted shelves. If you have opened snack bags or frozen veggies, use binder clips to keep them in place. Make it easy for the kids, or you, to grab a snack by making a snack zone in your fridge. Share this video.